The old video, the first video that we made about like beard growth got a tremendous response. It's like the most viewed video on my channel. It was one of the very first few videos that I made on this channel. Since then I've not made a second beard growth video or something, but a lot of you guys wanted it. Even the girls for some reason. I'm not judging. So you guys want a full beard in order to impress your crush. So here's how to make your beard grow faster than Flash. Not literally. Hello ACGs and welcome to my channel. Let me just clear this up that just getting a full beard is not gonna make your crush fall in love with you. You also need some good dating advice, and where can you get that? Oh, we have a dating series. It's right here. You can watch that. Free ka promotion chahiye apne ko bas. In the last video, some things were not clear to a lot of people. There were a lot of questions, there were a lot of misunderstandings and some queries. So before starting this video, let me clear up some of those queries real quick. Number one, shaving does not make your beard thick or hard or whatever you might feel. Your beard is gonna stay exactly the same as it was before you shaved your beard. See, trimming, shaving is exactly the same thing. It's just that when you shave that, your hair is cut very close to your skin. And when it grows back, as the hair is very small, you might get the illusion that it's thicker or that it's harder than before. But that's not the case. Once it grows out, you'll see that it's exactly the same. Your beard will get thicker as you age. Number two, don't run after full beards at the age of 12 to 13. This is not the time for you to growing beards. Okay, firstly, it will look very weird if you're in like 5th or 6th standard in your school and you have a full beard. Okay, firstly, that's not possible. And how weird is that? Let me tell you when you should use the methods that I'm giving you here. When you're close to 17 and 18 years old or above it and you still can't grow or like have problems growing a full beard, I'm still saying that you need to give it some time, like at least till you're 21 or 22, because that's when like most of your beard starts to grow and form properly. But still, if you are impatient, you can do it. You can still do it when you're 17 or 18. That's not really a problem. Plus, if you're 13 or 14 years old or younger, you won't see any results because there are no hormones, like nothing whatsoever. So it's not very likely to work at all. Number three, some of you people have this side of your beard connected here to here and not this one. This one is not yet connected, so you guys are concerned. So it could be any side actually. So let me tell you this, that our beard growth on both the sides, it's not completely symmetrical. Okay, there are a lot of differences. Even for me, this side of my beard is much more thicker and denser than this one. Even this one connected before this connected, and it took like 5 to 6 months for this one to be connected after this. Well, that is how it is. So you don't have to worry about that. The last query is Minoxidil. What is Minoxidil and how do you use it? Firstly, it's a drug. I've explained everything about it in the first video, so go watch that. And here's how to properly use it. Okay, when you're starting with Minoxidil, go with 1 or 2% Minoxidil. Okay, because there's not a lot of research done on Minoxidil yet. Don't jump to 5 or 10%. You should stay away from 10% firstly. It's not good for you. So start from 1 or 2%, and then gradually after like a month or two, you should go for the 5% Minoxidil and just stay there. And even when you stop using Minoxidil, you go down to 1 or 2% and then you stop using Minoxidil. And you don't directly use it on your face when you get it. First, do a patch test. Here's how you do a patch test. This part of your skin, this is like this has a very thin layer of skin, very similar to what your face has. So when you apply anything, like for example Minoxidil, and if it doesn't react on your skin, you can use it on your face. As we've put that aside, let's get to the more advanced and effective way of making your beard grow. First thing you should do is follow everything that I have explained in the first video. It is very crucial, the diet and everything, except for the Minoxidil part, because that is what we are gonna change in today's video. We are gonna use the Derma roller for this process. So what is a Derma roller? It's a facial roller that has a lot of micro needles on it. For your convenience, I've linked it in the description below so you can buy it from there. How does this whole thing work and how is this gonna make your beard grow? So the process that we're gonna use here is called micro needling. The idea is to make microscopic scars on your face, alright, when you use the roller, by which your skin will start to heal itself. And for healing, your skin produces collagen and elastin. The more amount of this is in your skin, the better your skin is. Anything, your marks, your acne marks, your facial scars, anything can go away with this process. But this is not the only benefit of microneedling. After using this derma roller, whatever products, whatever skincare products or anything that you may use on your skin after this will be absorbed way more effectively and will work like 10 times better. I'll suggest to go for a 0.5 mm needle. Nothing more or nothing less than that. You might get what we are gonna do now. So here's how to use it. After taking a shower, pat dry your face completely. Make sure the roller is clean. Use the derma roller in a vertical direction 5 times each with a subtle pressure on one patch. You have to get some judgment on doing this, not too hard that it literally pierces through your skin and damages it, and not too light that it doesn't do a thing. And then after you're done with that, use it 5 times horizontally. Use it on your beard region, just like I'm showing you here. After you're done with this, apply a vitamin C serum. Again, I've linked a good quality vitamin C serum in the description below, that the exact one that I use, so you can buy it from there. After you apply vitamin C serum, then the next thing you do is apply some minoxidil, just the way you used to do it before. As after microneedling, the minoxidil will be absorbed into your skin much more effectively and will work far better than it would work without using a derma roller. And before using this derma roller, I want to say this, ki if you have a lot of pimples on your skin, this method is not for you, because this method will cause more pimples on your face. So it's better to stay away from this right now. This video is not for you. Or you can wait and treat your skin better with this skincare video, and once your skin has less pimples on it, you can give this a try. The next part is sterilization. Now don't skip this video at all, because this is very important things that you need to keep in mind. So watch this video till the end properly and listen carefully. So for the sterilization part, run the roller under hot water. Let it dry on a tissue. Once it's dried, dip it in isopropyl alcohol for a while. Then dry it again and store it in its container till the next use. Replace the roller after every 10 uses, just like you replace your girlfriend after every 10 uses. So it's just Lucy that does it, not you, because he's seen the dating series and he's a love guru now. Damn. Sorry, that was a joke. That was a joke. We do not promote changing your partner so frequently, like after 10 uses. Sorry, that was just a joke. But the dating series works. Now the things, or like the aftercare, that you have to keep in mind. It'll be a little itchy, so try not to touch it. By that I mean your face. Don't use any other product on your face till the next 24 hours. You can't go out in the sun, okay? Stay away from sunlight, and not just sunlight, stay away from the pollution that's outside. Dust, grime or anything, you can't afford to get it on your face. It'll cause infections on your skin. You can't even do a lot of physical work, alright? Because if you do a lot of physical work, your face might sweat and it can impact your skin in some way. So stay away from that as well. It'll get even more itchy and it can pain a little. You can't even do this. I'm talking about the wobbly dumbbell, yeah.
Shake vigorously.
You can't do that either. So just sit in your room, turn on the air conditioner and just binge watch something for the next 24 hours. That's the best way to treat your skin at this point. And make sure you don't repeat this process every day. You have to do this once a week, not more than once a week, alright? If you do this regularly, just once a week, you'll see some kind of results in 1 to 2 months. I'd say give it a little more time, like 3 to 4 months, and you will see some results for sure. Well, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why you liked or disliked this video in the comment section below. Join our amazingly supportive Discord server, the Anti-Chapri Gang, and become an ACG. The link is in the description. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm on Snapchat as well, so you can go add me on Snapchat too for some personal snaps. I'm on Twitter as well, so go follow me at StreetStyleScape on Twitter. If you have any queries, put it down in the comment section and I'll answer them there. Or you can directly ping me on Instagram. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.